bore bar should be coming down there now. It's not minute unfortunately, and then the threading bar should come up on it. See it? There's 70 mil more on the bar outside. It's never going into it. Every single machine backed up as well.